In this video, I'll show you how to fetch from GitHub. First, open your project in Visual Studio Code and make sure you've opened the local repository that's connected to your GitHub repository. Next, click the source control icon in the activity bar on the left side of the window. Then click the menu at the top of the source control panel. Now, select Fetch from the menu. Visual Studio Code will contact GitHub and download information about the latest commits and branches without changing your local files. After that, wait for the fetch process to complete. If new changes are available, you'll be able to review them before deciding whether to merge them into your current branch by using the pull command. Finally, if you're ready to update your local project, click the menu again and choose Pull, or use the git pull command in the integrated terminal to download and merge the latest changes from GitHub into your local branch. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fetch from GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.